Vice President Mohammad Hamid Ansari today underscored the need to raise the budget allocation for the education sector, especially primary education. Interacting with students of the Sharda University in Greater Noida, Ansari said that India needs to lay emphasis on research to improve its global ranking.
Pointing out that India's allocation for the education sector is lower than many other nations, Vice President Mohammad Hamid Ansari said both the centre and states are shifting blame on each other.
Allocation both at the central government level and at the state level to education is abysmally low and is not targeted to achieving higher quantitative and qualitative results. It is unfortunate, but our public opinion is not willing to address this problem.
The Vice President emphasized the need to encourage research in the country. He also said India needs to recognize talent.
My thinking is that we made one fundamental mistake. We separated research from teaching. You see, the two are not separable.
The Vice President strongly advocated linking education with technology and skill development to keep pace with the changing times. Panchanan Mishra's report for Rajya Sabha TV.
China has